In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Tunnelbear, a secure VPN service, quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to browse the web with added privacy, access region-locked content, or just protect your data on public Wi-Fi networks, having a reliable VPN like Tunnelbear can make a big difference. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Tunnelbear's official website. Open up your web browser and type in Tunnelbear, Secure VPN Service, or simply click on the link if you're following along with our description below. When you reach the home page, you'll get a welcoming view of their charming bear-themed interface, which is both intuitive and fun to use. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to locate the prominent download button. This is typically easy to spot, often highlighted to catch your attention as it's one of the primary calls to action on the site. Clicking this button is going to direct you to another page dedicated to downloading the software. Now that you're on the download page, you're looking for the button that says Download Tunnelbear. This is where you'll be able to grab the installation package for your operating system. Tunnelbear conveniently detects your operating system and provides the correct option right off the bat. Simply click this button, and within moments, the download process for the installation file will begin. For those using a different device or operating system, there's no need to worry. Tunnelbear has you covered. There's an option labeled, or Get Tunnelbear for a different device. Clicking on this link provides you with all the various versions they offer. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android, you'll find the right choice to suit your needs. Simply select your desired platform, hit download, and you'll receive the corresponding installer file. With your installer file now downloaded, it's time to run the installation. Locate the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to begin. Follow the prompts provided by the installer to complete the setup with ease. It's typically just a matter of agreeing to the terms and confirming the installation directory. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Tunnelbear. From here, you can launch the application, create an account if you haven't done so already, and start browsing the internet securely. That wraps up our guide on how to set up Tunnelbear in just a few minutes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy surfing with your new VPN.